Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Testing Education. Today video is all about pedagogy, 30 most important MCQs for teaching test. If you are preparing for FPSC, PPSC or any educator exam, this video will help you revise the key concept. Let's begin. Question number 1. The word pedagogy means there are four options. Option A, the art of painting. Option B, the science of education. Option C, the art and science of teaching. Option D, the study of human behavior. The right answer is option C, the art and science of teaching. Question number 2. The main goal of teaching is to option A, give knowledge. Option B, develop understanding the skill. Option C, prepare a student for exam. Option D, complete the syllabus. The right answer is option B, develop understanding and skill. Question number 3. Which one is the most important element of the teaching learning process? Option A, teacher. Option B, textbook. Option C, students. Option D, environment. The right answer is option C, student. Question number 4. The process of learning by doing is emphasized in option A, behaviorism. Option B, constructivism. Option C, idealism, and option D, realism. The right answer is constructivism. Question number 5. Which one is the teacher-centered method? Option A, lecture method. Option B, discussion method. Option C, project method, and option D, discovery method. The right answer is option A, lecture method. Question number 6. The main purpose of lesson planning is to option A, keep record of teaching. Option B, follow school policy. Option C, organize teaching effectively. Option D, fill up time. The right answer is organize teaching effectively. Question number 7. A good teacher is one who option A, maintains strict discipline. Option B, has deep knowledge of subject. Option C, understand learners' need. Option D, teach according to book only. The right answer is option C, understand learners' needs. Question number 8. Evaluation in education is used to option A, award grade only. Option B, compare student. Option C, measure learning outcomes. Option D, punish weak students. The right answer is option C, measure learning outcomes. Question number 9. Which type of learning occurs through observation and imitation? Option A, classical conditioning. Option B, operant conditioning. Option C, observational learning. Option D, cognitive learning. The right answer is option C, observational learning. Question number 10. The term curriculum means there are four options. Option A, list of subject. Option B, total learning experience. Option C, set of textbook, and option D, teaching timetable. The right answer is option B, total learning experience. Question number 11. The best method to develop creative thinking is option A, drill method. Option B, lecture method. Option C, problem solving method, and option D, memorization. The right answer is option C, problem solving method. Question number 12. Motivation in teaching means option A, giving reward only. Option B, creating interest in learning. Option C, controlling classroom, and option D, setting punishment. The right answer is option B, creating interest in learning. Question number 13. Which of the following represent affective domain? There are four options: knowledge, option B, skill, option C, attitude, and option D, thinking. The right answer is option C, attitude. As you know, there are three major domains of Bloom taxonomy. You must know about all the three domains. One is cognitive domain, second is psychomotor domain, and third is affective domain. So you must know this is very important for teaching and test preparation. So cognitive domain, it deal your thinking, your knowledge, and the other psychomotor domain deal with skills, and the affective domain deal your attitude, your behavior, right? Question number 14, Bloom taxonomy is related to, there are four options. Option A, curriculum design. Option B, teaching aids. Option C, educational objectives. And option D, teaching method. The right answer is option C, educational objectives. Question number 15, the major responsibility of teacher is to, option A, maintain discipline. Option B, guide student learning. Option C, conduct exam. Option D, prepare notes. The right answer is option B, guide students learning. Question number 16, inclusive education means, option A, teaching specific children only. Option B, education for selected student. Option C, education for all learners. Option D, education through distance mode. The right answer is option C, education for all learners. Question number 17, which teaching aid is effective for demonstrating experiment? Option A, flashcard. Option B, models. Option C, black whiteboard. Option C, chart. The right answer is option B, models. Question number 18, formative assessment is done. There are four options. Option A, at the end of the course. Option B, before the course start. Option C, during the teaching process. And option D, after final exam. The right answer is option C, during the teaching process. Question number 19, the focus of child-centered education is on, option A, teacher role. Option B, learner needs and interest. Option C, discipline. Option D, rote learning. The right answer is option B, learners need and interest. Question number 20, the main function of feedback in teaching is to, option A, punish the learner. Option B, elevate the teacher. Option C, improve learning performance. Option D, record attendance. The right answer is option C, improve learning performance. Question number 21, learning by trial and error theory was given by, option A, Pavlov. Option B, Thorndike. Option C, Skinner. And option D, Piaget. The right answer is option B, Thorndike. Question number 22, a democratic classroom encourages, option A, teacher dominance. Option B, learner participation. Option C, strict discipline. Option D, silent learning. The right answer is option B, learner participation. Question number 23, which of the following is a psychomotor domain objective? Option A, write an essay. Option B, appreciate a poem. Option C, operate a machine. Option C, explain a concept. The right answer is option C, operate a machine. Question number 24, the main advantage of using audio visual aid is, option A, save teachers time. Option B, make learning more effective and interesting. Option C, reduce homework. Option D, increase competition. The right answer is option B, make learning more effective and interesting. Question number 25, the purpose of remedial teaching is to, option A, punish slow learners. Option B, help weak student improve. Option C, reduce syllabus. Option D, teach bright student. The right answer is option B, help weak student improve. Question number 26. Which of the following is not a principle of learning? Option A, learning by doing. Option B, readiness. Option C, motivation. Option D, punishment. The right answer is punishment. Question number 27. The main purpose of educational psychology is to. Option A, study school management. Option B, study teaching method. Option C, study learners' behavior in learning situation. Option D, develop curriculum. The right answer is option C, study learner behavior in learning situation. Question number 28. Classroom management primary means. Option A, controlling students. Option B, maintaining discipline only. Option C, organize classroom environment for effective learning. Option D, reduce workload of teacher. The right answer is option C, organize classroom environment for effective learning. Question number 29. Reinforcements means. Option A, increase learning by reward or encouragement. Option B, repeating lesson. Option C, giving punishment. Option D, testing performance. The right answer is option A, increasing learning by reward or encouragement. Question number 30. The ultimate aim of education is. Option A, scoring high marks. Option B, earning money. Option C, all around development of personality. Option D, getting a job. The right answer is option C, all round development of personality. That is all for today's video. How many answers did you get right?